Cottage gardens, with their relaxed and unstructured charm, have been captivating gardeners for centuries. Originating in England, these gardens were often created around quaint cottages, where a mix of flowers, herbs, and shrubs grew together in harmonious disarray. Today, the cottage garden style has transcended its origins, becoming a beloved approach to gardening that celebrates diversity and the art of letting nature take its course. Embracing informality, the cottage garden aesthetic. Flower mixtures. Cottage gardens are characterized by their haphazard yet harmonious mix of flowers. Embrace a diverse selection, including perennials, biennials, and annuals, to ensure continuous blooms throughout the seasons. Unstructured layouts. Unlike formal garden designs, cottage gardens thrive on informality. Avoid rigid patterns and neatly aligned rows. Instead, let plants spill over each other in a relaxed, casual manner. Integrate edible plants. In true cottage garden fashion, consider integrating edible plants like herbs and vegetables alongside your flowers. This not only adds practicality, but also enhances the overall visual appeal. Must-have cottage garden plants. 1. Roses. No cottage garden is complete without the quintessential rose. Opt for climbing varieties that gracefully drape over fences or trellises, adding a touch of romance to your garden. 2. Delphiniums. With their tall spikes of vibrant blooms, delphiniums are a stunning addition to cottage gardens. They come in various colors and add vertical interest to the landscape. 3. Foxgloves. The majestic spires of foxgloves bring a touch of woodland charm to cottage gardens. Their tubular flowers attract pollinators and add a whimsical quality to the garden. 4. Hollyhocks. Known for their towering spikes of large, colorful flowers, hollyhocks are a cottage garden classic. They thrive in well-drained soil and are a favorite among bees and butterflies. 5. Lavender. The fragrant and versatile lavender is a must-have in cottage gardens. Its aromatic spikes not only add charm, but also attract beneficial insects. 6. Peonies. Peonies, with their large ruffled blooms, are a symbol of abundance and beauty. Plant them in a sunny spot for a burst of color in late spring to early summer. 7. Geraniums. Hardy geraniums, also known as cranesbills, are low maintenance and provide a continuous display of blooms throughout the growing season. They come in various colors, contributing to the cottage garden palette. 8. Poppies. The vibrant and delicate petals of poppies add a touch of ephemeral beauty to cottage gardens. Their papery blooms sway gracefully in the breeze. Planning your cottage garden? Color schemes. While cottage gardens are known for their eclectic mix of colors, consider planning color schemes to create a harmonious visual effect. For example, a pastel palette can evoke a soft, romantic atmosphere. Layering and heights. Create visual interest by layering plants according to their heights. Taller plants at the back provide a backdrop for shorter ones, resulting in a dynamic and visually appealing garden. Seasonal interest. Ensure year-round beauty by selecting plants that bloom at different times. From spring bulbs to late summer perennials, aim for a succession of blooms that keep the garden lively. Maintenance tips. Regular deadheading. To encourage continuous blooms, practice regular deadheading, removing spent flowers. This not only enhances the overall appearance, but also redirects energy toward new growth. Mulching for moisture. Apply a layer of organic mulch to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and provide nutrients to the soil. This is especially important in cottage gardens where plants often grow closely together. Natural pest control. Encourage beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings, which act as natural predators to common garden pests. This aligns with the cottage garden philosophy of working with nature. Conclusion: the timeless beauty of cottage gardens. In conclusion, exploring cottage garden plants is a journey into the timeless beauty of informal and colorful landscapes. Whether you have a small backyard or a sprawling estate, the principles of cottage gardening can be adapted to create a haven of natural abundance and visual delight. As you embark on your cottage garden adventure, remember that perfection is not the goal. Rather, it's the celebration of nature's diversity and the joy of gardening in a way that feels uncontrived and spontaneous. So, let your cottage garden flourish in all its glorious chaos, creating a tapestry of colors and scents that captivate both the eye and the soul.